welcome again to Silly Sid 123. Not been many videos from me, but that's because we've been waiting for a spare part for this. This is my 1993, is it 93? Yeah, I think it's 93. 1993 Hoover turbopower 1 U2798. Now, originally I bought this off Gumtree from a seller. Very much ripped me off. He only showed me pictures of the front. When I purchased it, I said, could you send me pictures of the back and underneath and all the rest of it? He refused and said, oh, I've already boxed it. About a month and a half later, it eventually came through after really getting to him about where is it, have you sent it tracked? He never sent it tracked or anything. He just, and I'm not joking, I'm going to show you a picture now of how it arrived. You see, there you go. That's why you don't go to Gumtree for vacuum cleaners. Yeah, so perhaps that was already damaged like that, but what you saw is how it arrived. There was no protective packaging or anything like that. It was just like that. A very nice bloke saw my story on Facebook, what I posted. I was quite devastated. I've really wanted a turbopower one. First come across these when I was little, looking in the old Argos. And I always thought, oh, I'd like to have one of them. And I'm pretty sure my uncle did have one of these, a blue one. I'm pretty sure he did. Anyhow, cut a long story short, this Facebooker saw my story. He had a spare one of these, which is why it says 600 on it, and it also has the Hoover doodah on it there and there. So that's what it came with when I got it. That is from this. But it doesn't matter, it's a spare part. Once I bought it from him, it arrived this morning, quite very early. I was expecting it Monday, but there you go. And I've just finished building it back up. Very easy to work on, absolutely easy. You get a few cuts and bruises and blisters and whatnot from working on these machines, all the plastics and the sharp edges. Very plastic. Absolutely. Yeesh. Oh, that's come out. Love the sound of these machines. I love how they look. So, what we're going to do for you guys is we're going to give this a go and see what it can do. my YouTubers, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Yeah, it sounds a bit creaky and a bit knackered, but to be fair, it works absolutely fantastic. She sounds fantastic. She really does pick up. You can feel the pull, so she does a good job really. Not bad for a 1993 Hoover, and they started all going plastic and nasty. But I really am pleased to finally own a turbopower one in my collection after all those years as a kid wanting to have one, and I'm pretty sure my uncle had one. Yeah, so like, subscribe and enjoy my videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.